Hi, this is Abhijit. Today we are going to see about the retail management. I'm going to teach you in a simple way so that it can make you easy to understand about the retail management. Let's see. Limitation of a IT in retail. Now we will see the limitation of information technology in retail. First, implementation is quite expensive as information technology is not flourish in India, or it has not been as much developed or as much cheaper than any other countries. It has been expensive. किसी भी रिटेलिंग कंपनी को अगर आईटी सेक्टर्स को डेवलप करना हो अपने लिए, it has been expensive for them. If they are purchasing expensive IT, it will reflect on their sales because they have to increase their sales price also. Job elimination. Due to the information technology or IT sector, the many of the people have lost their job because the computer has been replaced by the human. Security gaps. There are the chances of leakage of the information of a customer, of the company, of their pricing, of their goods to another. The leakage can affect the company sales. Internet security issues. There are a number of issues of internet security. While doing payment, we are not seen secure, so that your information of your bank details as well as the ATM card can able to leak. The financial detail, experience of a hackers of a loophole channel in this information, you should aware about that. Franchising. A startup of new ventures does not only needs adequate amount of capital, apart from its needs working and establishment to be done in a proper basis. Franchisee. You have been aware about the franchisee. मैंने उसकी franchisee. I have that franchisee. Let's take an example of a McD, Subway, Pizza Hut, Domino's. It's a franchisee stores. ओनर किधर और है, हम चला किधर और है, और चलाने वाला कोई और है. It's known as a franchisee. The concept of franchisee. A franchisee is a right granted to an individual or a group of market company of goods or services within a certain territory or a location. Example: McDonald's, Subway, Domino's, Pizza, Cafe Coffee Day. It is an example of franchisee. An individual who purchases or runs a franchisee is known as a franchisee. जो फ्रेंचाइजी को होल्ड करता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? फ्रेंचाइजी. There are two types. Franchisor owns the brand, gets the royalty of the fee up to front margin. उसको बोलते हैं फ्रेंचाइजर. जो फ्रेंचाइजर मीन्स जो फ्रेंचाइजी देता है दूसरे को यूज करने के लिए, उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग? फ्रेंचाइजर. फ्रेंचाइजी क्या करता है? यूज द ब्रांड एंड गिव देयर रॉयल्टी टू द franchisor. The history of a franchisee is started from 1850 when Isaac Singer invented a sewing machine. सिलाई का मशीन रहता है ना, it was been invented in 1850. उसका फ्रेंचाइजी ये बंदे ने दिया था. उसका नाम क्या? Isaac Singer invented a sewing machine. In order to distribute this machine outside the geographical areas, also provide a training to the customer, the Singer become a selling license of entrepreneurship in the different part of countries. ये उन्होंने किया. वो मशीन भी बेचा, उसको बाद ट्रेनिंग भी दी, फ्रेंचाइजी. In 1955, Ray Kroc took over a small chain of food franchisee and built up into today a most successful of fast food franchisee in the world, known as a McDonald's. You must have aware about the McDonald's. Advantage of buying a franchise. Ready to use a corporate image. वड़ा पाव लेने जाएगा ना तो कोई नहीं आएगा तुम्हारे पास. Now you have a franchisee of McDonald's. Each and everyone come to eat an McDonald's burger, their meals, their French fries and their Coke, because you have a corporate image of McDonald's. You can trust the McDonald's, so you have a good image and you can have a good sales according for a franchisee of a McDonald's. Finance assist. It can be difficult for a small business to acquire a substantial financial to get a solid start. A particular small sector of business को it's become a difficult to have a start. But if you're taking any franchisee, they provide you finance, their communication skill, their sales knowledge, as well as the setup of the business, so you can able to start the business. It's a ready to use. Save time. मार्केटिंग नहीं करना पड़ता आपको. सेव टाइम इज अ मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट मार्केटिंग. मैकडोनल्ड का अगर आपको फ्रेंचाइजी मिलता है और सबसे बाहर वो मैकडोनल्ड का एम और वो बंदा बैठा रहता है, पीपल केम टू नो अबाउट द मैकडोनल्ड एंड दे कम एंड हैव द फूड ओवर दैट. लोअर फेल्यूर रेट. मैकडोनल्ड्स का फेल्यूर रेट देखा, किधर भी मैकडोनल्ड चालू किया और वो बंद पड़ा है? नहीं, बिकॉज मैकडोनल्ड हैव अ गुड कॉर्पोरेट इमेज and it's have been trusted and number of people, and we and I also like to consume a McDonald's burger, their meals and their coke. So failure क्या होता है उसका? बहुत कम होता है. The franchisee benefit from a tried, tested and proven the business concept which can be democratically reduce the failure. मैकडी या मैकडोनल्ड हर जगह है, हर कोने में. महाराष्ट्र बोलो, नासिक, पूना, कोल्हापुर, सातारा, कराड, सांगली, औरंगाबाद, ये सब चीज़ों में मैकडोनल्ड्स है एंड ईच एंड एवरीवेयर यू कैन हैव इट. Purchasing power. A franchisee also benefit from the collective buying of power of the parent company, as a franchisor afford to buy a bulk and the passes to save long franchising. Power बढ़ता है बल्क अमाउंट ऑफ फ्रेंचाइजी लेने के लिए. अगर समझो मैं मैकडोनल्ड का फ्रेंचाइजी लेता हूँ एंड वी हैव सेट अप अ बिजनेस इन सम दादर. सो अब तुमको पता है कि दादर में बिजनेस चलने वाला है, थोड़ा टाइम रुक के यू कैन टेक अनदर फ्रेंचाइजी एंड यू कैन ओपन द सेम मैकडोनल्ड स्टोर इन मुलुंड, सो यू कैन हैव अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट. Continuous assessment. If one buyer purchase a franchisee, they get a continuous assessment from a franchisor, how to buy, how to sell, how to buy the raw materials, as well as training and supply equipment. It becomes easier one to run the franchisee. Last, saves upon promotion code. The marketing becomes least when you buy some franchisee, and it becomes easy to start up the business, ready to sell your products of the business. Thus the saving upon the cost of advertisement, its effects on your business. Let's see about the advantages of a franchisor. Franchisor माने जो फ्रेंचाइजी देता है. Create brand awareness, maximum profit, additional revenue, reduce middle management, increase market strength and higher returns of investment. Create brand awareness. MACD, you have been aware, you can see each and everywhere. अच्छा एक बात बताओ स्टूडेंट्स, MACD के स्टोर्स कहाँ मिलते हैं? शॉपिंग मॉल, रेलवे स्टेशन के जस्ट थोड़े बाहर, एंड यू कैन ऑफन सी द मैकडोनल्ड्स नियर टू योर कॉलेज और एनी एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट, because they have targeted the market which they can sell the product is known as a young crowds. Maximum profit due to the young crowds are used to have the McDonald's, they get a maximum profit, as well as it is situated in such areas where the corporate sectors or where the business class have been running their business and they can easily buy the product. Increase market strength. On the aspect of being able to expand the business, they can have an easy market strength because they have the everything with them. Higher returns of an investment of a franchisor. The franchisor obtains higher returns on investment through being able to concentrate on the resource and expanding the business. हायर रिटर्न्स कैसा होता है? क्योंकि वो हर चीज़ को क्या होता है, सेल करता है. वो फ्रेंचाइजी देता है. फ्रेंचाइजी देने के कारण क्या होता है, हर एक जगह उसका अपना डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर्स नहीं बोल सकते उसको, उसको हम बोलते हैं उसका ब्रांड लोकेट होता है हर एक जगह. सो द पीपल हैव आई कैची एंड दे नो कि हाँ ये तो बहुत अच्छा होगा. मैकडोनल्ड घाटकोपर में भी है, ठाना में भी है, बोरीवली में भी है, दादर में भी है, सब जगह है. सो दे कैन गेट अ हायर रिटर्न एज वेल एज higher returns on investment. Let's see now for green retail. Green itself indicates the eco-friendly. A global warming, you must be aware about that. A global warming. Let's see what that means. A global warming and reducing of a green covered due to advance of manufacturing processing is faster become important issue all over the nation. A retail sector is also realize the importance of a green retailing. Let's see what does the green retailing is. Eco-friendly practices that retailers can follow through it. First, reuse packaging materials and card boxes. Print double side whenever it's possible. Use renewable source of energy. Example, solar energy. Reduce paper. Use eco-friendly cleaning. Reduce paper transmission by obtaining technology for billing, invoice, vendor payment, order management, etc. आज के डेट में आप बिलिंग वगैरह पेपर लेस चल रहा है सब जगह. ओके, अगर आपको बिल पे करना है, आपको फ़ोन पे बिल आ जाता है सॉफ्ट कॉपी, सो यू कैन प्रोड्यूस आहे. यूज इको फ्रेंडली क्लीनिंग मटेरियल, रिसाइकल पेपर्स, प्लास्टिक्स एंड मेटल्स, cartridges, etc. Use biodegradable materials if you are using in the industry. Reduce wastages of paper. E-wastage means electronic wastages can be reduced. Let's see the benefits of following of a green practice. Optimum uses of an infrastructure over leads to a reduce of operational cost. Operational cost क्या होता है? कम होता है because you are using a eco-friendly. Second, reuse of a material and the reduced wastages would lead to a substantial cost of saving. आप क्या करते हैं? Cost saving करते हो because you are using a reusable materials. Would help in branding the company as an eco-friendly company. आज आपने देखा रहेगा हर एक की चीज़ के पीछे ग्रीन, गो ग्रीन, इको फ्रेंडली. मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज ऑल्सो यूज दिस. अगर समझो आप मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज में काम करते हो एंड यू हैव वांट टू गो फॉर vacation or you want a holiday, so what you have to do, you have to go on the HR portal and just you have to file the request of an holiday and you can get your holiday sanction just through an SMS or a text from a company. It's known as a Go Green, paperless. Investment in the technology would save the time and resource spent on operations. Investment spent करना बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है ऑन टेक्नोलॉजी, क्योंकि साइंस ऑफ ऑपरेशनल क्या करता है, वो हमेशा कम करता है. इट्स अ बेनिफिट्स ऑफ द ग्रीन रिसोर्सेज.